Hello everyone. How to make money from Veronum VRN coin. This is a comprehensive guide. Veronum coin is an emerging cryptocurrency. It is built on the Solana blockchain. It is designed to integrate decentralized finance, real-world payments, and user rewards into a seamless ecosystem. With its suite of applications and services, Veronum offers multiple avenues for users to earn and utilize Veronum tokens. Here is an in-depth look at how you can potentially make money from Veronum. Number one way is to stake Veronum tokens for passive income. One of the primary ways to earn money with Veronum is through staking. By locking your Veronum tokens in the VerPay app, you participate in the network's operations and in return, you receive staking rewards. This method allows you to earn passive income while supporting the security and efficiency of the Veronum network. Number two is utilizing Veronum for daily transactions. Veronum aims to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and everyday commerce. Through the VerPay app, users can make instant payment for goods and services using Veronum tokens. By actively using Veronum token for transactions, you not only enjoy low fees and fast processing times, but you may also receive rewards or cashback in Veronum, enhancing your earnings. Number three is participating in the Veronum token pre-sale and ICO. Early participation in Veronum's token pre-sale and initial coin offer can be a strategic investment. Purchasing Veronum tokens at the pre-sale price of approximately 0.000431112 offers the potential for significant gains if the token's value increases upon public listing. The total valuation of the Veronum token during the ICO is projected at $211 million. Number four is engaging with Veronum's ecosystem services. This is number four way to make money with Veronum. Veronum token has developed a range of services that integrate Veronum tokens, including VerPay. VerPay is VER, then Pay. VerPay is a global payment platform for seamless transactions. Then we also have VerFly. That means VerFly is a travel booking service where Veronum can be used to book flights and accommodations. Then we have the Veronum Eat. Veronum Eat is a dining service allowing payments with Veronum tokens. Now we'll move on to the next one, which is Veronum In. Veronum In stands for an investment platform supporting sustainable decentralized tech solutions. By using these services, you can earn rewards, access exclusive deals, and contribute to the broader adoption of Veronum. Now, number five way to make money from Veronum is trading Veronum on cryptocurrency exchanges. As Veronum gains traction, Veronum tokens are expected to be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges, engaging in trading activities, buying low and selling high, buying low and selling high can yield profits. However, it is essential to stay informed about market trends and exercise caution as cryptocurrency markets can be volatile. The number six way to make money with Veronum is participating in airdrops and community incentives. Veronum occasionally offers airdrops and community incentives to promote engagement and reward loyal players or users. By staying active in the Veronum community, participating in events, and completing specific tasks, you can earn additional Veronum tokens. Number 7 is exploring NFT opportunities with Veronum. Veronum's ecosystem includes the Royal Hawk Club. The Royal Hawk Club is an NFT project that allows users to buy, sell, and trade digital assets using Veronum tokens. Engaging in the NFT marketplace can provide opportunities for profits, especially if the value of these digital collectibles appreciates over time. I need to let you know that as of May 16, 2025, as I'm doing this video, there is no active or officially announced airdrop for Veronum. While the Veronum project has generated attention within the crypto community, the team has not released any details or guidelines regarding an airdrop event. Veronum is currently in its pre-sale and initial coin offering phase, which began around mid-March 2025. The Veronum token is designed for real-world applications with the Veronum ecosystem, including decentralized payments, staking, and governance. The total supply of Veronum ranges between 480 to 500 million tokens allocated for pre-sale, ICO, ecosystem growth, liquidity, and development. To stay informed about any future airdrop opportunities or official announcements, it's recommended to follow Veronum's official channels and trusted crypto news platforms like this YouTube channel. Always exercise caution and verify information through legitimate, serious, or sources before participating in any token distribution event. Veronum presents a multifaceted platform for users to earn and utilize Veronum tokens through staking, daily transactions, early investment opportunities, and participation in its diverse ecosystem services. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the associated risks, and consider your financial goals before engaging with cryptocurrency projects. I'm concluding here with a disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. I believe with this you have known much more about Veronum, and I would like you to go ahead and take advantage of the opportunities therein. I'm going to talk to you in the next video, but before then, please subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment and questions in the comment section below. See you in this next video that is up on the screen now. Bye for now.